As you can see, the snow is over the top of the car hood. And it's a wide driveway too. It's not quite as deep behind the berm, but I'm going to have to find out a way to get into it. Look at how huge this snow berm is. This is what I'm going to have to shovel out. I love you, Mom. Very The trick to sustained snow shoveling is never shovel too long in exclusively the same direction. First open your path to a certain depth, then bring your snow shovel down on the side and widen your path and shovel it out again. If you keep going around in circles, widening your space, you'll clear the whole space even faster and you won't have to rest as much because it's not all going in the same direction. Well, this is how much I was able to get done. Enough for an SUV and a little extra.
So, thank you. Keep Tahoe blue. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.